This video will show you an example of a note-taking strategy for lectures and other audiovisual presentations. It's called the Cornell method and is designed to help you organise, review and think critically about information that is presented audiovisually. The first step is to divide your page into 3 sections. Make a space of about 5 centimetres at the bottom of the page and a margin of about 6 centimetres on the left, leaving about 15 centimetres on the right. The space at the bottom will be where you write a short summary of the lecture. The small column on the left is the Q column, where you will write important points and key questions for your revision. And the large column on the right is where you will write your notes during the lecture. Make sure you write the course name, date and topic of the lecture at the top of the page. Next, jot down important words, phrases and information as you listen to the lecture. Remember, these notes don't have to be beautiful or perfect, they just need to be clear to you. Use shorthand and symbols where possible, start new ideas or points on new lines, and don't worry if you miss something, leave a space or make a note to ask somebody after the lecture. Review your notes within 24 to 48 hours of the lecture. This is much more effective than leaving it until later, as it's still fresh in your mind. Use the Q column for reviewing. Write keywords, brief phrases or questions about the most important points made in the lecture. Then, cover the note-taking column and try to say aloud details or answers prompted by the words or questions in the Q column. Repeat this every week and you'll find that your memory of the material over the long term can be dramatically increased, sometimes from around 20% to over 70%. Finally, write a short summary of the lecture in the space at the bottom of the page. This might just be a sentence or two, or could include diagrams as well as words. So that's the Cornell method. It is just one technique for taking notes, but if it works for you, it can really help with your understanding and remembering important details from lectures and presentations at university.